Oh my God, thank you so much sa award na po. Hindi ko ina-expect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my God, I would like to thank my parents, my dada, my mama, my sister, my dog, Copper and Silver, my tropang Ever, Riksha, Dayan, Erica, Aldrich, Audrey, Rhea, Nikki, saka sa best friends ko, si Eliza, Sarah, at saka si Lady. Thank you so much. Hindi tayo sa inyo dito ma-achieve. Saka sa blackmates ko, A3, sa doormates ko, sa Residensya, sa 201, si Bam, Ali, Yvette, Shara, saka Angel. Thank you so much. At saka, ano pa ba? Alam ko na! Yung sa kapitbahay ko, thank you so much dito. Overall, thank you talaga, and I would like to share this experience to you on July 20 sa Villa Nila, San Pedro, Laguna, at 6 p.m. Thank you talaga. See you there! See you there!